What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Cool because we are back for another video. Happened to be in the West Covina area, so you know I gotta check out the mall here. It is a low volume mall. Like, I don't think the sneakers shops move that much, but yeah, it's, you know, sometimes you can find some deals at those spots. So yeah, let's go see what they got. I don't think I've ever come in this entrance. I need to make sure I remember where, but yeah, no super high volume shops here, no flagships, but yeah, still definitely worth the look. Still got a K-pop stores around. What are they gonna do? I heard BTS is not around anymore. They've disbanded. What are they gonna do? What are they gonna do? Empty. All right, do got a Champs. See what they got. See if they got any good deals, man, since stuff hasn't been moving. We've been seeing a bunch of LeBron, especially in the men's sizes finally. But look at this. Starting to see sales at different spots now. Not bad. This is the Lakers color right here. Maybe if it keeps going down, maybe it might be worth it. Remember, you can use a survey coupon since I am a Champs. You can use a survey coupon. So yeah, not bad, not bad. Maybe it'll go down further. Dang, even the low volume stores still got Jordans available. And these 72 and 10s, man. I still like these. This is a size 8 right here. Dang, dude, this is like small. It's like a small shelf. Like, you can't fit anything above a 8.5. That's funny. Dude, got Prestos on sale. We've seen quite a few of them on sale lately. I thought we saw this one on sale at different spots, but not here. Not here. But it seems like a lot of the other Prestos on sale. I do think $130 is kind of high for them, so you know, maybe 100's a better price point. All white. Can't go wrong with all white. Unless you're like me and you get stuff dirty. Black and white. All black. And then these University Blues. This is like the second time I've seen these. I'm a fan of this colorway, dude. I am such a fan of this one. $130, still a little steep, but these look fire though. I do got some slow moving stuff. Daybreaks right here, normally 90 down to 50. Then free run 2s. I feel like they should be like 50 from the first place. Got a couple other ones going for 70 a piece. Checking out the women's section, not really seeing much. I do like these though. These are kind of dope. Those are kind of dope. We are starting to see a lot of these on sale now because we don't really need them. But y'all can stock up. Y'all can stock up. Buy off season. I do that all the time. Do got the Asunas on sale. I've been told these are super comfy and they definitely do feel like it. $30 normally $45. Do got a lot of Jordan and Nike hoodies on sale. These are down to $30. These sweatpants right here. So one with a little embroidered Jumpman logo on it. I'm a fan of those. Wonder if this is on sale too. If they had this for $30, I'd definitely buy it. This is the Super Nintendo Jordan. That's him dribbling. You got him like dunking, playing defense right there. Man, if they had that sweatshirt, I'd definitely cop that for $30. And I say that because they got these right here. This is like, kind of feels like a waffle knit on the outside. Waffle knit, and then it's just straight fleece, super thick. $30. I'm a big fan of these. Big fan of these. Normally $100, I think. They got a small one right here. This is my favorite colorway right here. Man, if they had a medium, I probably would pull the trigger on that one. Then we saw this for $30. We saw this for $30 at one of the other spots. Where was it? I forgot. Was that the Champs outlet? I don't know. But we saw this for $30. $90 here. Might be $30. Might be on sale for $30 though. But I have the red one. Super comfy. Got a couple Nike hoodies here as well. All right. All right. All right. Let's go check out the next spot. On to the next store. Do got a Finish Line. I'm not really familiar with this spot. They haven't had much the last couple times I've come, but we still gotta look. Still gotta look. 5 Jordan Retros and a mid. Pretty decent. I know it's like that at the last spots, but 5? That seems like a lot. I don't know. Not bad though. Seen most of these at quite a few spots. The Heritage right there. Do got the beans or something? I don't know. Then got these. These are huge though, man. The Del Sol 13s. Got 6s. Even got some mids right here. Got these. Have we seen these at spots? Got some questions right here. $160 for these. Okay. Got some answers as well. Okay. Do got these right here. These are the Jamal Mashburns. Way back when. I think he signed with Fila right before Grant Hill. So So,
yeah, normally when you see them like...
Guess they don't have too much because look, they just got doubles, triples of everything up front. Not even seeing that much on sale. I thought I'd see a lot more sales since it's low volume. This is a low volume mall, but yeah. Okay, the retro peas go for 85 bucks. These ain't bad, dude. I'm not gonna lie. Full length boost. These ain't bad, dude. 85. These kind of seem like the marathons, so really big heel to toe drop. Totally looks like you're leaning forwards and stuff. My marathons are like that. 59.23s like that. But yeah, the material on these look way better than the marathons and the 59.23s. $120 a little steep. 85, not bad. Prestos, seen them on sale. Seen these on sale at a bunch of spots. These are the only two on sale here though. Great School, they had a bunch of retros. Not much on sale though. But yeah, it's all stuff that we've seen at other stores. So yeah, let's keep moving. Next spot. Alright, Foot Locker. I think this might have the most stuff. Let's find out. Let's find out. They're kind of underwhelming so far. Dude, they do got a couple Adidas deals. Some NMDs right here. Only $21 off. These one get $40 off. Okay, not too shabby. And then these right here. These are number one, $190 now. So what? $40 off. Those are Ultra Boost 2021s. Not really seen too many other Adidas. Nothing that we haven't seen before. Do got a fan here. I don't know if the AC is busted or what. Fan's blowing some cool air though. Someone showed me they were able to pick up a Vans, what was it, the Skate Highs for $10 just recently. That was kind of crazy. Was at one of the Foot Lockers. They got the old schools right here with some mixture. I believe it is a mixture of suede and canvas. But yeah, normally what, 60 down to 40. Got a few different ones on sale. By a few, I mean a ton. Dude, they got a bunch of them. All what, 10? Oh, the new ones are coming out at 75 now. Damn, dude. Got the Skate Highs right here. Everything's going up, man. Everything's going up. These are the Skate High suedes. I'm a fan of the suede that they use on a lot of their stuff. Suede on here, super nice. If you're into Vans, if you're not, you know, you're not gonna all of a sudden buy Vans because of the material or anything. So it is what it is. Dope. I'm all throwing Vans. My bad. I was just about to say they don't even have any Jordans. They do got the green beans and these mids right here. These mids are what, size 11s? I'm good. Thank you. Yep, size 11. And that's it, dude. That's pretty much about it. Oh, the Rocky 4, Ivan Drago. These are on sale. The Diodoras. N9002 Rocky collab. These are normally what, 120 down to 50. I just don't know if I'd rock this ever. The Clubber Lane, I think, was my favorite one. But yeah, okay. Checking out the women's section. Do got Dunks. These are like way pink. Oh my god, like hot pink. Way back when, called this hot pink, right? Damn, dude, okay. 115 for the Dunk Highs. Then Air Max 97s. Way smaller size. Normal 170. And look at these. These are way down in price. These ain't bad at all, dude. These ain't bad at all. Normal 170, so $60 off. Not too bad, not too bad. We've seen those. Huaraches on sale forever. Okay. Checking out the kids section. I'm like desperately checking, dude. I'm looking for stuff, you guys. Do got some Air Max 97s right there. Damn, I miss my kid wearing kids sneakers. Now he's like size 8 now, so I have to check men's stuff. But yeah, $50 off of these Air Max Genomes. Prestos on sale. This is a pretty dope colorway of these Huaraches. I don't think I've ever seen this colorway of the Huaraches. Pretty dope, pretty dope. Then got this colorway as well. Never seen that one. Those are pretty dope. Oh, that one does have a price. Okay, $95 for those. Dude got a bunch of $10 stuff. Like, dude, even the sweatshirts? Jordan sweatshirts for $10? This matches the Lightning 4s for $10? Normally $45. That's actually pretty crazy. Yeah, that's dope. And got slides right here. Ooh, got the bread ones. Bread boost slides right here. The Boost Adelettes. Don't really see too much else that's too interesting. I need to get my kiddo a pair of slides. I don't really see any winners here though. Alright, let's keep moving. Alright, I think this is the last. This is the last store here. Alright, let's check it out. Check it out. Not expecting much. See, that's not bad. That's not bad. We have seen that at a lot of spots, but not bad. I did hear from a few of you guys, like I talked about the cracked leather and stuff on these. And I know some of you guys were like, what the hell, did not expect that. Yeah, I definitely did not expect that either. Does have a sail midsole as well. Oh, sail midsole, and I think the sides and the side panel and the toe boxes is sail as well. Okay, okay. 170 for those. I'm still not digging the cracked leather on these, but they're there. Got 7 6s right here, the 5s. They got a restock on these. A bunch of stores got a restock on these Brotherhoods right here. So okay. Those are 180. These are 180. Those are 170. Okay. So 170. These came out later. Those are 170. And then these are 180. Is this one? No, I guess maybe because this is I don't know. OG, I don't know. I thought they were both OGs. Got those mids up top as well. Still got these Hardens here. I'm surprised these aren't on sale. Buck 30. I think it's on volume 5, right? Yeah, volume 5. Got some Trae Youngs going for 130 as well. Donovan issue 2s. No, yeah, these are 2s, right? Yeah, the $100 for those. Not on sale. That's interesting. You got Superstars on sale. You rarely ever see Superstars on sale. $50 for these. This is in the men's section. Also got these for 50 as well. That's not bad. That's not bad because these are normal $80. Normal 85. This one also on sale. Oh, and then the red one too. Okay, bunch of Superstars on sale. That's not bad. Like I said, you don't see those on sale too often. Then got Harden 6s. I believe this is a grade school version right here. Buck 20. They look very cartoony, but I kind of like these more than the 5s. Okay. 120 for the grade school right there. Okay. Got multiple Airmore Up-Tempos. Rarely ever see multiple ones of these. 170. And I still don't know about these. Man, this one you get a little extra makeup right there. Is that foundation or something? Get extra makeup right there. This one, like an army green. Oh, that's alright. It's alright. Buck 60, 170 for that one. Oh, that's interesting. And then of course got some more Prestos. Buck 30 for these. Ooh, some Air Max ones I've never seen. I don't think I've ever seen these. A buck 30 for this one. Okay. Material's pretty nice, dude. Got some suede on it. Okay. Okay, now you have interesting box. This is a different box. Okay. That's the Volt box right there. Something different. That's up. And then Jordan 4 backpacks. We really haven't seen these anywhere. This is retail though. I think retail's like $95. I just saw it. Yeah, $95 for these. Oh my goodness. All right, that's it. Let's wrap it up. Do got a resale shop. Liquor right here. Damn, that place is huge. But I'm still not a fan of in-mall resale shops. So, all right, man, let's wrap it up. It is a low volume store. It is. I don't see too many other brand new Boost. This is a pretty dope colorway. I've never seen this colorway of the Prestos. Got multiple Air Max. Got multiple